How do you feel when you look for a plumber? Nervous? Is trust your biggest concern? How often do you ask friends and family if they know a plumber that they can recommend, one that does a good job and that simply turns up when they say they're going to? That's a really smart decision. We congratulate you, which is why we have so many people that are happy with our work. If you want to talk to a few of them, please do. We have many happy customers that will vouch for the quality, cleanliness, and speed with which we work. When you see how professional our work is, you will recommend us to your friends and family too. Call now.